Some of them land in different places.
So like walking.
See, we got 4 more over here.
Maybe it's like all singles.
Well, it can't be.
Huh?
No.
There has to be a double.
That green one's a double.
There has
Is
to
it a
be
double?
3 doubles up
That
there.
up there's a double.
There has to be.
And I think that back crew over there maybe.
Looks like this one's gonna come down first. I think I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely double there.
Yeah. Yeah, see, they're playing around with them and
That's the
spinning. It is. It's a lot of fun.
Depends on what his idea is, because it could be.
Let's see. I guess this one.
Yeah, I just see one pair of feet.
No, there's 2. See?
No, my glasses are in the
There's 2. Yeah, that sun is bright. And the other ones, yeah. It's okay.
Clean's coming back in. Did you get anybody out?
Yep. Yeah, but see how much slower they're going?
Yes. I'm way happier with that. Flipping out. No.
That's funny.
I like the nice slow, not 100-mile-an-hour hit the ground.
Tandem.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way you'll be.
Yep. It might be.
That's
Put a
the girl.
flight suit on.
Here comes another one.
Get the grass stain on my jeans.
You gotta have your suit
I
on.
don't know if your pets are used to
That's what I said. I don't have it.
like that.
Yeah.
I'm feeling the wind come into my face, but it's pointing that way to the lens.
Yeah, some of them are coming in pretty hard on the ass.
Did you land on your feet when you did?
Yep.
Hoping for the PD thing.
We can only hope for the best, Jason.
Yeah.
Hopefully they give us double padding. So they have one to hit.
Yep.
See this thing? Put the toe sheet, stick that in the greens.
Got a little coat for your toes?
Yeah.
You may figure if you weigh enough, you got any more.
I'm pretty sure in a football game I've proved that tailbone pads really doesn't work.
And